Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 30mm wheel spacers on your Nissan Patrol. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance, so you could slope spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. This is because of where the new tires you install are larger than the stock tires, that's causing some spare problems. In this situation, you should use wheel spacers to help them fit in the right place. In conclusion, using wheel spacers is a cost-effective approach to increase the wheel track width without breaking your budget to buy a new set of expensive rims. Bonus has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. Bonus has passed more than 66 IOS standards SGS TÜV test report and achieved excellent results. You don't have to worry about buying non-genuine Bonus products, because each box will have an anti-counterfeiting code. You can quickly check the authenticity through our official website. Thanks for watching and have a great day!